back to Cook with Harrison, and today I'm going to be trying the Krispy Kreme donut. It looks really good. The frosting, nicely done. It looks really good, so I'm gonna try it. So let's get started. Okay. So it's really good, really sugary. I would like a little more frosting on it. But other than that, it's really good. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because I only have like 8 subscribers. And you can comment if you want. And I'll see you on the next video.